Now, President Biden announced last week all nursing home staff will be required to get the COVID vaccine. At the same time, many health professional students have to get clinical hours off campus at medical facilities.
So could students who work with elderly patients be required to also get vaccinated? First News reporter Hannah Erdman spoke with one YSU professor about the possibility of mandatory vaccines for students. Hannah.
Good morning. I did speak to one YSU professor because I was very curious on how mandatory vaccines could impact students that are going on a medical profession track. With Pfizer announcing yesterday that with the FDA announcing that Pfizer vaccine was approved formally, it may be easier for universities in the medical facilities they conduct clinicals at to make the COVID shot mandatory. The professor I spoke with is a professor of long-term care administrative students. He says getting the vaccine is something people should just do.
Many of us can't mandate that our students do get vaccinated, but we highly recommend it because of the ethics of going into a long-term care facility and not doing everything possible to look out for the well-being of the residents as well as their coworkers.
There have been talks about the possibility of mandating a vaccination. However, at this time, they have not gotten word from facilities that they work with yet that would make vaccines mandatory for students coming to the facility. Now, what if a student wants to continue their education but refuses to get vaccinated? What Van Dusen says coming up in the next half hour. But for now, live in the newsroom, Hannah Erdman, First News This Morning.